the D's English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak with C and D. I'm C.
And I'm D.
You okay?
I'm fine.
He is not fine.
I said I'm fine, C.
Okay. Welcome, everyone. Episode 4. We have English, we have stories, we have learning, and apparently we have a mood today.
It's not a mood, Okay, can I say something?
Please.
We have recorded 4 episodes. 4. We have prepared, we have practiced, we have shown up every single week. I told the chicken baby story on the internet permanently. That is documented now. That exists forever.
It does exist forever, yes.
And you know how many subscribers we have right now, Sephora?
You just called me Sephora.
I know what I said.
He only calls me Sephora when he's serious.
Because I am serious. We have, and I will say this clearly, almost no subscribers. We are recording a podcast with microphones, with preparation, with a whole intro song.
The song is good, though.
The song is great. That's my point. We have a great song, great content. I shared my most embarrassing memory involving farm animal terminology.
D.
And we are basically talking to ourselves. Sometimes I wonder, is anyone even out there?
People are out there.
How do you know?
Because I was out there once. Before I found the things that helped me, I was sitting alone, earphones in, trying to understand a language that felt impossible. And someone was recording, just like us, not knowing if anyone was listening.
And it helped you?
It changed things for me, yeah.
That's a nice thing to say. I'm still a little frustrated, though.
I know, that's okay. Say it all.
Fine. Okay, I also want to say I told my cousin about this podcast, my cousin who has been learning English for 2 years. You know what he said?
What did he say?
He said, and I quote, "Oh, interesting, I'll check it out."
Classic.
That was 3 weeks ago, see? 3 weeks.
We all have that cousin. We established this in episode 1.
Cousin, if you are listening, subscribe now. I will know.
He will absolutely know.
Okay, real talk. To whoever is listening right now, and I mean anyone, anywhere, any level of English.
Go ahead.
We are not a big channel. We are not famous. We don't have millions of views. We are just 2 people who genuinely believe that learning English doesn't have to be boring or lonely or scary. And we show up every week, whether 10 people listen or 10,000.
Every week.
But if you are here, if you understood even 50% of what we just said, that means something. That means your English is growing, and we want to grow with you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Not for us, for you. So you don't lose this, so you come back next week and the week after. And also a little bit for us, I won't lie.
Thank you for the honesty, D.
Always.
Okay, so today's episode. Because yes, we have feelings and we have English. Both can exist.
Both absolutely exist.
Today, we are talking about something very important for beginners. Something that nobody teaches you in school, but you will need, I promise, within the first 5 minutes of any English conversation.
Buying time.
Buying time. In English, there are phrases, little phrases, that give you space. Time to think, time to find your words, time for let your brain catch up with your mouth.
Because sometimes your brain is fast and your mouth is fast, but the English words are somewhere in the middle, lost.
Somewhere in the middle, exactly. And instead of freezing, instead of going completely silent and staring at someone,
Which I have done.
which we have all done, you use a filler phrase, a bridge, something that says, I am still here, I am still thinking, please wait 1 second.
And the beautiful thing, native speakers use these all the time.
All the time. So you are not cheating. You are speaking naturally. Okay, phrase number 1. The most useful phrase in the English language for a beginner?
Well.
Yes, just well. One word. You stretch it a little. Well. And suddenly you have 2-3 seconds to think.
I use this constantly. Someone asks me something I'm not sure about, and I go, well, and by the time I finish that word, I usually have my answer.
Phrase number 2, that's a good question.
Oh, this one is elegant.
You say, that's a good question, and you get maybe 4 or 5 seconds, and you make the other person feel smart. Everyone wins.
Use this carefully, though. If someone asks you something very simple, like, what is your name? Do not say, that's a good question.
Please do not say that.
That will be confusing for everyone.
Phrase number 3, and this one is Dee's story, actually.
Oh, the job interview.
The job interview. Tell them.
Okay, very fast version. Job interview. Big company. The interviewer asks me, so Dee, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Classic interview question.
Classic question. And I panicked. Full panic. And instead of saying anything useful, I said out loud into the silence, let me think about that for a second.
And you know what? That is perfect interview English. That phrase, let me think about that for a second, is completely natural, professional even.
The interviewer nodded like it was totally normal, because it is totally normal.
Phrase number 4, if I understand correctly.
This one is for when someone explains something and you want to make sure you got it right. You say, if I understand correctly, and then you repeat back what you think they said.
It shows you're listening. It shows you care about getting it right.
And if you got it wrong, they correct you. And now you understand. No embarrassment, just communication.
And phrase number 5, the most honest one.
This is the word you use when you start feeling overwhelmed. Bear with me. English is not my first language.
We said bear with me last episode, but adding that second part, English is not my first language, changes everything.
Because it's true, and people respect it. Every single time I've said this, the person slowed down, spoke more clearly, and was patient.
Honesty in language is never weakness. It is a door. You open it, and people walk through it to help you.
That's really well said, C.
I have my moments.
You know, I was frustrated earlier, and I'm still a little frustrated, honestly. But can I say something?
Always.
The reason I show up, the reason we record every week with or without subscribers, is because I remember what it felt like to sit with a language that doesn't belong to you yet and feel like an outsider in your own mouth.
Say that again?
An outsider in your own mouth, like the words are there, but they don't fit yet.
If you feel that right now, if English feels too big, too fast, too foreign, I want you to hear this. That feeling, it has an expiration date. It doesn't last forever, but only if you keep going.
Every episode you listen to, that's a brick. You're building something.
Every word you look up, every phrase you repeat in the mirror, we told you to do that in episode 1.
Every conversation you attempt, even when you're scared, that's a brick.
And one day, you look up and you have a whole wall, and then a house, and the language lives in you now. It's yours.
Dee, that was beautiful.
Thank you. I've been thinking about it.
Since when? Since we had 0 subscribers.
Nothing like 0 subscribers to make a man philosophical.
It really does something to you. Word of the day, and I chose this one today, specifically.
Okay.
Today's word is persist.
Persist. Persist.
To persist means to keep going, even when it's hard, even when the results aren't there yet, even when your cousin hasn't subscribed.
Even then.
Especially then. A person who persists is called persistent, and persistent people in English and in life, they get there.
Your sentence today, I persist because I believe in myself.
I persist because I believe in myself.
This one is for you, and honestly, it's a little bit for D today, too.
Yeah, it is. And I'm okay with that.
Okay, episode 4, done. We survived.
We persisted.
We persisted. Okay, next episode. Dee's job interview. Full story. I want everything.
Full story, including the part where I use the word passionate completely wrong.
Wait, there's a word incident too?
There are multiple word incidents, see?
Delighted. Subscribe. You need to subscribe. This cannot be missed.
And seriously, if this episode meant something to you today, if you felt seen even a little, leave us a comment. Tell us where you're listening from. Tell us how your English journey's going.
We read every single one.
Every one.
We'll see you next week. Same C.
Same D, slightly less frustrated.
Growth.
Growth. See you soon, everyone.
Speak with C and D.
D. Cousin. I'm still waiting.
Let it go, D.
I will not let it go.